Welcome to the channel, guys. My name is Nelson. Today we have a 2000 Toyota Corolla. Wow, it's loud. Let's put our seatbelt on, and I already see an issue here. It's missing the button that holds this. This just falls all the way down. Kind of hard to put your seatbelt on. Today we're going to be going for a test drive. This one has 115,000 original miles to it. Wow, the cluster glows red. I believe that's for the Type S. The temperature is good. We got some gas. Radio is good. I just heard the AC kick on. And it is cold. It is ice cold. If you want to know how reliable a car is, we got to look at the Carfax, of course. This one, 2000 Corolla. This is the CE. So we got power windows, power locks. We have manual mirrors on this one. She is 3 previous owners, 2 service history records, personal vehicle, last owned in California, and 115,000 original miles. Last owner, well, they bought it in 2021 and they only owned it for 26 days. So it's really a 2-owner vehicle. That is a little concerning, 26 days, but it's whatever. All right. There's not really much to this car. It's a pretty simple, pretty basic car. Really clean. Headliner's brand new. Let's go for a drive. So this is a little loose. Feels like. And the motor's a little noisy. But I think that's just the way these are nowadays. I mean, it's 20 something years old. Not adjusted correctly. This is what I call our bumpy road test, because Golden State is just terrible now. Definitely hear some noises. Sounds like maybe possible suspension noise. But I mean, it's 21 years old. I guess that's just to be expected with something this old. Ice cold AC. So this Corolla is not very fast. It's actually pretty slow, but she drives really well. Right away, good acceleration on the motor. Transmission shifts flawlessly. I don't even feel the transmission shifting. So I think we got ourselves a winner. This guy's going really slow, so I'm just gonna slow it down, cruise, and chill. Does it have cruise control? This one does not have cruise control. I didn't even notice that. Wow, no cruise control. 40 miles an hour and I can already hear wind noise all around. And was not 100% straight, so we'll probably get an alignment done for it. Brakes really well though, really well. So I'm going 60 miles an hour, and I gotta tell you, she's not fast at all. Just not a fast car. 60 miles an hour, drives really good. There's no shakiness, no nothing. It's just the alignment's not 100%. And we just rotated the tires. We had 2 new tires installed, and we did all the brakes, so that might be why. Okay, now I'm going 70. That might be why the alignment's a little off. Going 70 miles an hour and she runs straight. Going 75. A lot of wind noise, but pretty good. 170, there's no one behind me. I'm just gonna do a quick brake. Wow, beautiful. I slowed down to about 55. Going 70 and like that, the brakes just caught. There was no shakiness, no vibration in the wheel. So far so good. Hey guys, about our Toyota Corolla, because we don't just grab these vehicles and put them for sale. We grab them, we do full service, we do full detail, so the entire car has been gone through. We know our cars pretty well. This one has brand new motor oil, brand new transmission oil. It has a brand new valve cover gasket. It's got 2 brand new front tires, new drum brakes in the rear, the brakes in the shoes, And I believe that's it. Oh, it's got 3 brand new window regulators on the inside. It's got 2 new door handles on the outside, and it's got all 4 brand new door handles on the inside because they were all broken. And that is really common for this year Toyota Corolla. I mean, these are kind of just plastic and they break really easy. But I'm going 60 miles an hour and I'm really enjoying the drive. The biggest issue is just the alignment, and that's not a big issue. We got new tires for it, so that could be what it is. But I gotta tell you, this is my go-to car right here. I believe this car gets 44 mpg on the freeway, and there's a cop right there. Great. So this thing is just amazing on gas. Oh no, they got the Civic. We also redid the headliner, so all the headliners brand new. And interior wise wear, the only wear I see here is on the steering wheel. It's just got little pieces here and there that are missing. Oh, also the door panels, they're all kind of peeling like this a little bit, but I was able to kind of fix them for the most part, mostly all of them. Let me go over here. We're gonna do a 0 to 60. And like I said, it's not a very fast car. It's a 1.8 liter. This is built for MPG. So it wasn't a real 0 to 60. I couldn't really stop. But I hope you guys enjoyed that. I have enjoyed driving this car right here. And look, that's my mom right there. She's in her Chrysler 300. Hi! She's not looking at me. She's so focused on the road. Like, comment, subscribe. I hope you guys have had fun on this virtual test drive. Let me turn the AC off. Yeah, the car's just a little noisy. I hear wind noise coming from the inside. I hear all kinds of different noises. Suspension, every time I hit a little bump, it goes. I know these 2000s Toyota Corollas, they run forever. You cannot kill this car. And it's got 115 original miles to it. That is super low. All right, guys, we're here. Let me know if you guys have any questions about our Corolla. It's for sale right now at Tio's Auto Sales. If you guys are interested in it, I just put the e-brake on and it's not moving. Awesome. Ew, that's a little dirty. This is working. The cup holders, which they're always broken, that works great. Yeah, super complete. She's all there. A lot of work, a lot of time. And that's what happens when you buy an older vehicle like this. Is it reliable? I believe this car is reliable. It's 89 degrees outside. It feels like it's 100. It's idling perfectly fine. It's got original miles to it. We still got the exact same gas we took off in. And the Carfax, I mean, that should kind of tell you everything. Basically a 2-owner car because the last person owns it for 26 days. Yeah, like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for checking out the channel, guys.